Hey everybody, this is Casey with State Line Exteriors again, back for another overlook of what happens when you have improper water shedding or faulty installation. You know, I've always known a couple people I think in this industry it's fair to say that a lot of people want to save money where and when they can, but I can tell you again that this is another perfect example of what happens when paying a little bit less, you always get a lot less. When you do hire a qualified contractor, you're probably going to pay a pretty fair price, but then you're always going to get a little bit more. And if you can see this window, let's look over here. Let's go up the top. You can see where the bottom of this window, we've had to pull everything back when the contractor or the installer that installed this window previously did a very poor cap job from the outside, which started a leak, which created all the way down. It's destroyed the studs, the black mold, the floor, the foundation, and we've even had to pull out the rim joist. Was actually just destroyed. And it comes down to proper water shedding of a window. So as we're putting this James Hardie fiber cement siding on, we pulled the siding off, we found all this deterioration. I mean, that was at one time a 2x4. What we're going to do now, what the job entails, is to come in, to stand down, and to start working this job, reverse engineering this wall and working backwards until the point all the rot's gone, and then we're going to reinstall new wall insulation. We're going to put new wall board back over it, obviously new studs. We're going to frame this out, and we're also going to include this new rim joist. So we'll get started, and we'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Hello again from State Line Exteriors. This is Casey coming at you with another edition of what I would consider to be faulty installation. If you come over here, you'll see earlier in the pictures that was in the description below of how destroyed this window was. If you come on closer, you'll see what we've had to do is rebuild the entire frame of the window from where it was rotten all the way down. You can recognize how bad it was rotten from how much we had to cut out the rot. So what we did was we sistered both these together. We built the frame all the way around, and then we supported again with this, the window beam along the outside. We replaced the entire rim joist on the bottom. We built another wall for the window ledge to sit on itself. Now, when we put our James Hardie fiber cement siding on this wall, there will be no joints and no access for water to get through, because we will flash, we will triple and double flash over everything. When that happens, everything will be sealed up. So right now what we're going to do next is throw the wall insulation back into this wall. We're going to cover this entire wall back up with a 7/16 OSB board, and we are good to go. Just another example of quality job. Another job done with State Line Exteriors. This is Casey signing off.